The legislature. The function of the legislature is to make laws of the country. The legislature is made up of the National Assembly and the President. The National Assembly consists of 150 elected representatives and up to 8 appointed members. These members serve 5-year term after being elected by popular vote. Each member represents one constituency. The National Assembly can be dissolved at any time by 2/3 vote of the National Assembly members or by the President. Whenever the National Assembly is dissolved, the country must hold elections within 3 months. The process of lawmaking. The process of lawmaking starts with the presentation of a bill to the National Assembly. A bill can be submitted by any Zambian citizen. It is then debated by the entire National Assembly. A bill must be read and debated 3 times before it can be submitted to the President. The President will either assent or withhold consent. If the President withholds his assent, meaning he does not sign, he or she may return the bill to the National Assembly with suggestions for amendments. The National Assembly will reconsider the bill as amended. However, if the bill is passed once again by the National Assembly by at least 2/3 of the National Assembly, with or without amendment, the President must assent to it. A bill becomes a law once it is passed by a majority of the member of National Assembly, is assented to by the President and published in the official Zambian Gazette. Then a bill becomes a law.
Yeah.